morning, loves. Welcome to my 2024 spring morning routine. I wanted to share what my current morning routine looks like during the school week. So I will wake up with some crazy bedhead, go brush my teeth and brush that hair, and then I will dive right into my skincare routine.
Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while.
Then I do super light makeup, just some under eye concealer, blush, mascara, and lip gloss.
With a feeling in our eyes, felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
Time to get dressed, putting on my gym clothes.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh.
And I love the scent of this new deodorant. I just got it and it smells amazing.
Feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up.
Time to head downstairs. The first thing I do is take my vitamins and make my AG1.
Sit in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we.
Then I will make my water for the morning. I like lots of ice and I add a splash of lime juice because I hate plain water. And now it's time for me to make breakfast for the kids. Today it's pancakes that I'd meal prepped on the weekend. It's easy to just reheat them quickly in the mornings, and added some fruit. And then I will pack their lunches for the day. And I like to do all of this before they wake up in the morning if I can, just so that I have some quiet time and feel ready when I wake them up.
I always like to leave them a little note. My mom used to do that for me, and I still remember that, so. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. I love you. Good morning. Good morning to you.
First, I wake up Hayden because he's my baby and he's the one that I need to do the most for in the mornings.
I got pancakes for you for breakfast. Got a little outfit for Hay today. Morning, hi.
Oh.
Oh. I love you.
Mommy said I do. Gotta go Mickey's Castle.
Oh my God, we're not going to Mickey's Castle. I told you. Presley's outfit. Kailua, you want your breakfast, honey? Aww.
Oh, they licking me.
She's licking you?
Yeah.
Aww. She looks thrilled.
Time to wake up the older two.
Good morning. Love you. Do you want me to pick out clothes for you, or are you picking them out? Okay. Sweetie. Gotta wake up, okay? I put the clothes on your bed for you, all right? Love you.
Love you.
Good morning. Good morning, little ladies. You ready to go outside and eat your breakfast, huh? Hayden decided popcorn was complimentary to his breakfast this morning. So I'm gonna go outside, girly. Coley, go potty. Oh, and the cat just ran out. The water dish looks gross, so I'm washing it out. She's back inside, by the way. She did run out, but she's back. She came right back. She always does. You know you're not meant to be an outdoor cat. You're a princess. Huh? It's cold out there too, huh? See, you know you're a house cat, huh? He knows that Coley's breakfast out too.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I'll make a decaf coffee and then clean up from breakfast and make beds so that everything is tidied up for the day. And during this time is when the older kids get themselves dressed and brush their teeth and make their beds.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
Nana's up there making his own bed. Thanks, buddy.
I can't help
Love you.
but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I'll do everyone's hair and then get their shoes and coats on because it's still cold here. It's not the spring weather we would like yet. And then get out the door for the school run.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
You ready for
We
school?
stay here.
Okay.
Let's go, great door.
Let's go.
Oh, great door.
All right, watch out.
Somebody that away.
Yep, climb up.
That my car seat.
Your car seat, gotta sit in yours.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you?
All right, I love you. Mwah. Have a good day at school. I love you. Mwah. Bye, have a good day. Love you. Bye, honey. Love you, have a great day. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Mwah. I love you.
Love you. That's it.
You're my best friend? That you said? Have a good day at school, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Peace.
Once everyone's at school, I head to the gym for my workout. I'll start with some cardio to warm up for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.
And then I go to the weight room and either do arms or my legs. And I always do ab exercises. And then once I'm done with the weights, I go back up to the cardio room for another 30 to 40 minutes of cardio.
Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter.
On this day, I had a Target order that I picked up quickly, but then headed to get Hayden from preschool.
Be a fighter if
my
Look who's back! How was your day?
What's up?
Okay, how was your day at preschool? When the teacher put you in the car, she said you learned about animals. What animal did you learn about?
I choose bracket to myself. I got Mickey Castle.
I know.
I'm not going that way.
I know. We gotta go home though.
I go Mickey Castle that way.
Are you hungry? Do you want a snack?
Where's Daddy?
She's at school.
No, Daddy at Mommy's.
Once we're back home, I will get Hayden fed and I'll take a quick shower. And some popcorn. You can watch too. Watch the Mickey while I take a shower.
Someone will end up getting hurt again. But there's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay?
Then after Hayden gets to play a little bit, it is his nap time, so we'll read some books and I'll tuck him in. After a rainstorm, Mickey and the gang look for a rainbow. No luck, no rainbow. Oh, pickle juice, says Donald. This gives Mickey an idea. Let's make a rainbow picnic.
No, whoa.
Pluto finds an apple. Good boy, says Mickey. You found our first color. What is it?
Red.
Red. R. D. R-E-D. Red.
I've made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me. But I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend.
Then it's my time to get some work done for the day.
Really need to mend. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a mend. Somewhere.
Thank you so much for watching my spring 2024 morning routine. If you have any other video requests that you would like to see, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm posting on Sundays and Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.